Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make HUF affidavit. To begin, you need to understand what an HUF affidavit truly is. It is a legal declaration confirming the existence of a Hindu Undivided Family. This crucial document details the Karta, who is the family manager, and all the Kaparsaners, the members with a birthright interest. A correctly drafted affidavit ensures your family's financial and property dealings proceed smoothly, providing a clear legal basis for all your transactions. Next, gather all the essential information needed to accurately draft your affidavit. You must include the full legal name, the current age, and the precise relationship of the Karta and every single Kaparsaner to the Karta. Don't forget to specify the exact address of the Hindu Undivided Family and the precise date when the HUF was formed. Finally, clearly state the specific purpose for which this important affidavit is being created. Now, let's talk about the structure and content of your affidavit. It is essential to print this document on a non-judicial stamp paper, typically valued at 20 or 100 rupees, depending on local regulations. The affidavit should begin with an introductory declaration, followed by the detailed facts about your HUF, and conclude with a solemn affirmation. Always use clear, unambiguous language to prevent any misinterpretations or confusion in the future. The next critical step is to legally attest and notarize your document. The Karta, along with any other adult Kaparsaners, must carefully sign the affidavit in the presence of an authorized official. This document then requires attestation by a public notary or an oath commissioner to certify its authenticity. Remember to bring valid identification documents, such as a government-issued photo ID, for everyone involved in the signing and attestation process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.